Steve at Driving School WA here, just explaining our service mock test. The mock test service goes for 2.5 hours, and we explain every aspect of a driving assessment, providing that you are at that stage of your driving. So people who are at the beginning stages, it's probably not a good thing to choose our service mock test, because obviously you're further from the driving assessment, so you've got to have a reasonable amount of skills, and you've got to have quite a bit of road knowledge. So if your test is coming up soon and if you're unfamiliar with the procedures, the best idea is to do the mock test, and we can take you to the to the area where you're going to be doing your driving assessment. And we go to the following licensing centres: West Perth, Midland, and Mirrabooka, Success. We go to Rockingham, we go to Cannington, and also we go to Kelmscott. If there's any other centres involved, let us know prior, and we can try and organise an instructor for you to meet you at the particular centre, providing that we've got somebody available. Please be aware that our availability changes literally on hourly basis. So if you are booking a mock test, it's best to do business hours during the weekdays, Monday to Friday, because you're going to experience the similar density of traffic as you would on the day of a driving assessment. If we can book you in at the similar time, the density of traffic is usually very similar. You know what to expect. It's not going to make you perform better, but obviously you will have a reasonable sort of expectation to know what you're going to be facing during a driving assessment. So please let us know in advance if you'd like to organise a mock test. They are very efficient, and we're very thorough in explaining what you need to do. When you click on the instructor, please make sure that your instructor services that particular area. We've got instructors who service south of the river and north of the river, so some of them do both. So but when you click on the instructor, it's going to show which suburbs they go to. Now also, if you are completely unfamiliar with the driving assessment criteria, and if you intend to do the mock test a day before your driving test, it's probably not the best idea. If there's still a bit of time between your mock test and your actual driving assessment, we might be able to squeeze another lesson or two in. So it's not that we're trying to sell you more lessons, but we'll be very honest with you on the day of your lesson, and we will definitely tell you what you may need to correct, and what your best course of action would be towards a driving assessment. Thank you for watching.